So this one is with mother of pearl inside. We will have the same with 12 diamonds instead of 8, and this one is automatic. This one works with a battery. We also have a smaller size.
I like the smaller set.
We can have with no diamonds.
No, that's it. 53 5,300 euros. Why was I thinking more like 13?
Well, it's a good news.
I know. Because of the diamonds, I think it would be.
Oh, you can have more if you have the diamonds all around the bezel.
Still would have to take I have a little bony wrist.
Oh yeah, we can make it smaller, no problem.
What do you think, David?
It looks nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
J12 on the radar. Is it a this or a Rolex? Such a choice.
I mean, with your black skin, the white color is so nice.
I know. Get a close up, man. So you know where to come next time. Oh man, I like this one. I do like the bigger face. I like the small one, I like the bigger. Isn't that crazy? How much is the bigger one?
Oh, it's a few hundred euros more.
Okay.
6.
See, I am in love. I don't want to go back to Atlanta. This is the box. Very sturdy box. I'm going to be able to stuff this and take it back home. Oh yes, love the white. So it's like double box, right? Oops. Just the box there, and then you have a little booklet here with your about it, and your card is in the back of it. Your authenticity card, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out with my purchase date, serial number, and all that. Oh my goodness. And the great thing about shopping here is the VAT, right? The tax-free shopping. So that makes it all the more special. Whew. It's getting hot in here. I literally just got back in from the loo. Had to take a shower because it was so hot. And I was sweating. And normally I'm the one that's always cold. This is the bad boy here. Love the box, yeah? It's very pretty. It would be a nice display piece on my vanity. Oh my goodness. So this is it. Of course I wanted a Birkin, but I will settle for this for now because those Birkins are hard to come by. This is it. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do some close-up model shots for you guys so you can see it up close. And they did adjust it, so it should fit perfect. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Let me stand up. You can see it. Very nice. And this one has the battery in there. Very nice. So that is it, guys. I'm going to split the video up. I don't want it to be too long. And I'm going to do the other one separately. So just stay tuned for that. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them now. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Leave comments below if you have this piece and you like it and what do you pair it with. Or you just wear that by itself as a statement piece.